What's up, YouTube? Another day and another vlog.
Yeah.
I just came from work. I'm done for the day. I'm so excited because my other client want me to test this first. This is a LTE modem. Yeah, they want me to test this first before I will install this on their office. So I'm so damn excited. So it's like open box opening. So again, I will gonna unbox this when I arrive home. I cannot unbox this inside the car. It's crazy. Just wait. Just hang in there. We're gonna unbox this, okay? Later, okay? Just wait. Wait.
2,000 years later.
So I'm home right now. So we're gonna open this smart Biz LTE. This is a business grade LTE router, okay? This is of course from PLDT and Smart Telco, okay? So as what I said earlier, my other client wants me to test this first. So again, now let's check and let's open it, okay? So let's open this box. So what we got here? So there's a SIM, we have the manual, and maybe this is the modem. So we'll put this first here, check that later. So here, what's this? It's the power cord. So this is the antenna, guys. I think this is the antenna for LTE or 4G. And this is the Wi-Fi antenna. What else in the back? This is the cable for the, I think for this one also. So this is the modem, Smart Biz LTE. So we have two LAN. This is the reset button and the power. So on the other side, okay, this is where we will connect our antenna. This is the MIMO and main 3G/4G. So this is the Wi-Fi. We'll connect our Wi-Fi antenna here. Here is the LED for Wi-Fi, LAN 1, LAN 2, and NET. So this is just simple modem. Okay, so it's heavy though. Yeah, it's heavy. So I will gonna connect this and we will try if we have signal here inside my house, and after that we will try to speed test, okay? So okay guys, I will now connect the antenna on this modem. So we'll start here. We'll remove this one. There it is. And then just put that there. And where's the cable for the antenna? It's here. So this is where we will put the antenna. So we will remove this one first. Okay. And then what's the oh no, this is the Wi-Fi antenna. So where's the freaking antenna? Oh, here it is. Now this is the antenna for LTE. We're gonna connect it here. Cool. That's the antenna. And then we will connect this to the router. So we're gonna use this main 3G 4G, so we're gonna connect here. So So it's hard guys using one hand only. So I'm gonna pause this video first and I will gonna put all the antennas on this router. Okay, so be right back.
A few inches later.
So now I already connect the antenna, also the 3G/4G antenna. It's over there. By the way, it's magnet, and this is the antenna for my Wi-Fi. So now we will check if I have signal here inside. Okay, so I hope this will turn green. Oh yeah, there's a signal. Look at that, it's turning green. Okay, so we're gonna check the configuration on this router. I'm gonna check what's the IP address, and we'll do speed tests. By the way, I transferred the modem here near in our window so that I can get a nice 4G signal, and so we will do speed test using a cell phone because my laptop is not available. So this is the modem again, and this is the antenna. So we'll do speed test. Okay, so we will
make the ground shake. Make
27 download. And 17 upload. Damn! That bad using antenna like this, because usually inside in our house there's no LTE or 4G signal using a cell phone, but this device is a-okay. And we will speed test again.
make the ground shake.
Oh my god, it's 32. That's insane.
Make the ground shake.
My golly. So 17 ping, download is 33.8 and upload is 19.21. Nice. And also guys, they claim that this account has no data cap. It's a business account. I cannot prove that yet because I just used this modem for the first time. So maybe 1 month from now, so I can tell whether it's true or not. So I'm amazed with this antenna because inside the house we can't get a 4G signal using a cell phone, but this is another way around. It has no problem capturing 4G signal. So it's a plus by the way. I'm not using a MIMO antenna yet. It's just an internal antenna for the LTE 4G. So that's it. Now I will try to do speed test on my desktop using that modem, that 4G router. I'm using a LAN cable, of course, not the Wi-Fi. Look at that. There's the LAN cable connecting to this Biz LTE router. This is the antenna, and now let's do speed test using a network cable. Earlier I ran speed test and this is what I got: 24 download and 17 upload speed with 16 ping. So now let's do it again. Let's see what we got. Okay. kidding. So the ping is 22, download is 23, and upload is 70. That's still freaking fast. So again guys, if you like this video, you know what to do. Just click the like button, and if you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you soon on my next video. Bye.